Hello, kids! Welcome again to our English learning time. Today, we are going to learn about pronouns. Pronouns are words we use instead of nouns. They help us avoid repeating the same name again and again. Are you ready? Let's listen to a story. Ria has a little cat. Ria loves the cat very much. Instead of saying Ria again and again, we can say she. So we say, Ria has a little cat. She loves the cat very much. The cat is very playful. The cat likes milk. Instead of saying the cat again, we can say it. So we say, the cat is very playful. It likes milk. One day, Ria and her brother Sam go to the park. Ria and Sam take the cat with Ria and Sam. That sounds funny, right? Instead of saying Ria and Sam again, we say they. So now we say, Ria and Sam go to the park. They take the cat with them. Sam throws a ball. The ball rolls away. Instead of saying the ball, we can say it. Sam runs fast. He catches it. The cat looks at Ria. Ria smiles at the cat. The cat jumps on Ria. The cat loves Ria. Instead of repeating, we say, the cat jumps on her. It loves her. Great job, kids. Words like he, she, it, they, them, and her are pronouns. Remember, pronouns replace nouns. See you again in the next lesson. Bye!